Dear students, I'm hoping that you might have revised all the sounds. We have done consonant sounds, vowel sounds. In vowel, we have done monothong and diphthongs. Now, please could you repeat once all the consonant sounds? B, then. D, K, K, Jalmari pleasure, major treasure. Ha ha ha. M in bring sing la ya wa. So I hope today you would revise at home and learn by heart. And now today we are doing monothongs. All these monothongs you can see Now words are written here for you. E, C, me, read, E. I, Y, get, let, make, sit, that, have, sheep sound. Sister, sheep sound. Sheep sound. That, right, have, start, hard, smart, okay, car, pot, lot, not I, okay, bowl.
So
He called me,
he called me.
Put, stood, put, school, cool, fool, nut, cut, hut. So A sound, say, day, may, I, my, sky, boy, there's a boy. Here, near, there, where, sure, low, Okay, now let me revise for you once all the so So I am hopeful that you would revise at home and you are going to transcribe. Tomorrow I will give you some words like this: school, okay, like school, school, my, like my, why. Okay, now please, now read this sentence, please. Would you read it?
For me only.
What is this sentence? Could you read now? I have transcribed.
My joy friend.
I am your friend. I am your friend. Now read this one. What is this, please?
Try is
She is here now in this class. So she is here now in this class. While reading, speaking, you are using sounds. You are not using alphabets. Am I right? While reading, listening, speaking, you are using sounds. Only for writing, you are using ABC. Am I right? So if you want to develop your listening skill, your speaking skill, your writing skill, so you have to learn by heart all these sounds. Am I right?
Yes.
So tomorrow repeat, revise, and learn by heart. Thank you very much. Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, I think you might have yesterday transcribed some paragraphs from your books. Today again we are going to revise whatever we did yesterday. There's the word I have written here, stole. S-T-O-L, stole. Cool. K-O-L, cool. Ball. B-O-L, ball. Now father. Fa-A-A-The-A, father. Sounds we have already done for sounds. Some are vowel sound, some are consonant sound. With the combination of consonant and vowel sounds, we start speaking, reading, listening English language. Am I right? So now here I have written Sherdil. Sherdil changes is new. New ideas. Same manner, I get up early. I get up early in the morning. So you have to transcribe, sentences into a sound stem. Like here, they are running. They are running. Running. They are running. Same, I am picking you. I am picking. Picking you. You. She tell a story. She tell a story. Thank you, Miss. Thank you very much.
Umbrella, you take it. This sound kina wa ha e ya e clip kan
The clip is